So what is this thing called science of mind? Today you're going to hear from many people saying science of mind, religious science, centers for spiritual living. Well, as Shakespeare would say, a rose by any other name smells as sweet. Our teaching is science of mind. Our organization was known as religious science. We carry that memory fondly in our hearts. And now we are known as the Centers for Spiritual Living, which, as we all joke in Manatee, makes us spiritual livers. And our founder was Ernest Holmes. His teaching that he shared with us when he was asked, "Can you tell us what you believe in 25 words or less?" Our Ernest said, "Religious science, or science of mind, is a correlation of the laws of science, the opinions of philosophy, and the revelations of religion applied to the needs and aspirations of humanity."
In religious science, we're about love and law. Everything we do comes from a place of love. We speak our word, and it goes into the law, and the law manifests and gives us what we're requesting.
But the thing that impresses me most, and it always has, is what we call treatment, or spiritual mind treatment. And what treatment is, it's a form of affirmative prayer.
I make use of spiritual mind treatment every day. If there is an issue that I have in life, if there is a problem, if there is something that I need to work on for myself or for someone else, the greatest form of prayer that I can give that is affirmative prayer, the spiritual mind treatment.
One of the things that is huge in treatment is getting me out of the way and allowing it to be. I go to source and I bring the spiritual input, and then I let go and let it be. When you put yourself in that spot where you are being that essence of soul, of source, of oneness, and you have the spiritual connection to know what should be, it comes. And it so often comes so much better than, I'm going to say, our littler minds can lay out.
It was so interesting to learn more about what I wanted to know about, which was my spirituality and my connection with spirit and with God.
One of the best things I think about the teachings of science of mind is that it's a healing teaching. Healing being the revealing of the spirit that lives within all of us. So if you're in need of a healing in relationships or finances or your career or your mind, healing in any area of your life, science of mind can bring new perspective, new insights, and a depth of revelation to your life. Our founder, Ernest Holmes, used to always say that the realization of the presence of God is the greatest healing agency known to the mind of man. So it is that realization of that divine presence that lives within us, that we witness all around us, that allows us to live lives of extraordinary joy and deep peace and unconditional love.
What a way to live.
I am CSL Manatee.
I am CSL Manatee.
I am CSL Manatee.
I am CSL Manatee.
I am CSL Manatee.